everybody, welcome back to the channel. Pixel Builder here, and today we're in Trailmakers again, and today we'll be testing the new engine sounds, because recently the engines, you can now change their skin, which makes a different skin, but also a different sound. And so today we'll be testing out all the new sounds and and see how they are. I know this is a bit late, but I had some problems with my audio, so that's why it's so late. And first of all, let's make a small little test vehicle. I'll put the standard car wheels on this. Just a simple thing. And then I'll put a go-kart seat, and then the engines at the front. Okay, so first of all, we have the normal Bulldog engine, which we already had, and this is the startup, and then let's see it. Yeah, okay, like we're already used to. And then there are two ways to change. You can either go to paint, and then you can just put the second skin, or you can just press E or Q, and then it'll already be like this skin. So second engine, similar startup, and then pretty nice sound. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. And another thing I noticed is that I think the pipes, they fit here. Although they don't have an attachment, they fit here, so you can just make some pretty cool pipes like this. Some exhaust pipes. Okay, next up, Bulldog engine. You can really hear the gasoline glugging. So, yeah, it's very big. And, yeah, it has a pretty nice sound. We've already heard it before, so it's nothing new. And, yeah. Then next up we have the Bulldog the raw engine. Oh, I already feel the tractor vibes. This one's very nice for some tractor builds. Yeah. Okay, and then finally we have the normal Dragon engine. Which we were already used to, but now, and this sounds kind of boring, so now we actually have a second Dragon engine sounding. That sounds a lot like a real life engine. Yeah, pretty cool as well. And yes, this is it for today's video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Bye.